This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right.
On time.
It's tricky. It's uptight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. It's tricky. 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 It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Tricky. Tricky.
I met this little girlie. Her hair was kind of curly. Went to her house and bust her out. I had to leave real early.
These girls are really sleazy. All they just say is please.
Grateful I woke up again. Woke up and took a breath again, Yahweh. Looked up and saw the sun again. I'm grateful for the eyes I have. Amen. I'm moving on my toes again. I'm grateful for the wind against my face. I'm grateful for the sensation of a loved one's embrace. I'm grateful for the lemon juice upon my lips. I'm grateful I can smile when I'm tasting it. I'm grateful, full to the brim. Yes, I'm grateful, more than I've ever been.
This chair came from Bloomingdale's. I bought it at a sale. It was $75 and I got it for $50 in 1949. I bought it in 10 minutes. And the funny part is,
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway, so what do I give a shit? What in the hell do I care? I
want to let everybody know before we get into this new year, new me bullshit. There's not going to be a new year, new me. I'm going to be the same loving asshole that you all come to know and love.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Give me 5 minutes and she gone. Give me 5 minutes and she gone. I'm a real shark, this my song. I'm a real shark, this my song. Smoking on this J, fuck a bomb. Yeah, I pick your bitch like sometimes. I'm a real shark, this my song. So give me 5 minutes and she gone. I'm a all black fit, spit it, take a bad bitch, no dinner, purple swag, peso, get a pretty motherfucker. When a dub on that bitch, you get on to the next though. Need new bitch, I get them on to the next though. On to the next trick, on to my next love. This some real shark shit, bass picking my one, sniper bitch like car 6. I'm just tryna have fun, my fault.
Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever?
My name is Pablo, Juan Carlos, Alejandro, González, María Lucia, Mendoza, Macarena, Chipotle, Tapatio con queso, guacamole, Ferreira, Santiago, Rodriguez, but everybody calls me Bobby.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, it's glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen.
And she probably, there are people in town, honey, that would have shot her for $5. You know, I mean, when you live in a small town, you've got to be friendly and nice to folks.
She would chew your ass out, drop a hat. I mean, she'd rip you a brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath, double-wide asshole. No problem.
She was just a mean, old, hateful bitch.
I got big rocks jumping at my brain. Headache, watch, ice, ice, baby. I got a whole lot. Nigga, you's nobody. You ain't got nobody. See niggas, they know about.
I come to say goodbye.
Where are you going?
My, it's on a little trip.
Charlie, will I ever see you again?
Sure.
This is your one wild, beautiful life. No second chances, no rewind button. Just this moment. Unfolding right now. What will you do with it? It's easy to get lost in routines, mistaking surviving for living. Days blur into weeks, years slip by, but life is more than checking off boxes. The only time you're promised is now. Feel the sun on your face. Laugh until your ribs ache. Tell the people you love what they mean. Not tomorrow, but today. Chase the dream that scares you. The one that sets your soul on fire. Failure isn't the end. Not trying is. And remember, it's not about doing everything. It's about being present for the things that matter. The late-night conversations, the quiet walks, the small acts of kindness that ripple beyond you. You don't have to live perfectly, just fully. Take risks, make mistakes, and leave this world knowing you didn't hold back. Because this life, it's yours. Make it count.
Oh my God, a dog. I just saw a dog. Oh my God, a dog. I just saw a dog. Did you see the dog? Did you see the dog? It was right there, the dog. It was right there, the dog. Oh my God, a dog. I just saw a dog. Oh my God, a dog. I just saw a dog. Did you see the dog? Did you see the dog? It was right there, the dog. It was right there, the dog. Oh my God, a dog. I just saw a dog. Oh my God, a dog. I just saw a dog. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hopping, Easter's on its way. Bringing every girl and boy baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy and an Easter bonnet too. Oh, here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. Hippity hoppity, flippity floppity. Here he comes, it's Peter Cottontail. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hopping, Easter's on its way.
Hey, you fucking weirdo. Hey, weirdo. I love you.
Ooh, baby, I'm gonna love you forever. Forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather, as long as old women sit and talk about old men, if you wonder how long I'll be faithful, I'm happy to tell I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes.
I think there will be a piece missing from me for the rest of my life. And although I may try and fill it with people or things, I know I will always fill that void. And maybe that's what they mean when they say, I'll hold space.
Do you know how much I love you? I love you more than everything.
Everything.
Everything. Everything.
Inside be lost. No can go up. And that iron ground. Clear. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, every hand. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I'll treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I'd still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
Far 'cause time wasn't in our favor. This isn't goodbye, this is simply see you later. Let me know when it's time to come back. Maybe when your life is on track and you don't have to hesitate. Hopefully it isn't too late. Like I feel I'm patient. I'm okay with you making me wait, and as long as you're near, I'll be here. Even if it takes 10 years. Can't fall in love when I found the one. How am I supposed to move on when you're never really too far gone?
said I wasn't right in the head, so they put me there in a nervous hospital instead of putting me in jail.
I was not born to be in this kind of weather. I'm scared of stepping out and dying immediately, instantly from hypothermia. Should be.
What do you want? A chocolate. You want what? A chocolate. Oh, you poor thing.
That's right, baby. Nice and slow.
Oh, yeah.